Previously switched to a professional account on Instagram and want to go back to a personal account, but not sure how? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to switch back to a personal account on Instagram. Now let's get started. To switch back to a personal account on Instagram, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Then select either Business Tools and Controls or Creator Tools and Controls, depending on which type of professional account you currently have. Scroll down and tap Switch Account Type. Then tap Switch to Personal Account. To confirm, tap Switch to Personal Account. Once you switch back to a personal account, you'll no longer have access to the professional dashboard or Instagram Insights, along with other business tools. That's all it takes to switch back to a personal account on Instagram. For more helpful Instagram tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Instagram tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.